Hey guys, Shane from Blind Dog Blades. I am still getting stuff ready for camping, and I always like to take a chainsaw up with me. And these are a few of the chainsaws that I have. A man can never have too many chainsaws, right? Most of these are pretty good saws. I've got a 20-inch Home Light 240, not the best saw, but it runs good. I picked that up at a yard sale, paid $5 for it. This one is a Echo 400 EVL. It's a nice saw. A buddy of mine at work gave that to me. He couldn't get it going. I just tore it apart, cleaned the carb, put it back together, and it runs great. It's got a ton of compression. This one is a Husky 340. It's got a 16-inch bar. And I bought this new, I don't know, 10 years ago. And it's a good saw. It's not super heavy duty, but it does alright. And this one is a Stihl 024 AV. It's a Wood Boss. That's a great saw. That's the one I usually take up hunting or camping. Runs great, cuts great, it's got plenty of power. But the reason I wanted to shoot this video is to show you this little one. This is a Power Mac 6. My dad gave me this chainsaw probably 35 years ago. I don't know if he bought it new or what, but they were made between 1968 and 1974, I believe. And they were advertised as being one of the lightest chainsaws on the market. They're super light. This one I take up camping with me a lot. It's handy for the small trees. Let me clear away some of these other saws and we'll take a look at this one. So these are the two saws I always take up hunting or camping with me. Take them both or one or the other. It's Stihl, I noticed last year that it was a leaking bar oil. So I tore it apart and found that the oil pickup tube that runs between the oil tank and the oil pump was leaking. It was cracked. So yesterday I ran down to the dealer and picked up another tube, put that in, and hopefully that takes care of the problem. Now this little Power Mac, these were made between 1968 and 1974. This one's a manual. It had an automatic oiler or a manual. This one's a manual. That's what this button here is. It's got a 14-inch bar on it. I want to find either a 12 or a 10-inch for it. Saw's in pretty good shape. So this is where your oil goes. Fuel goes here. Got a run and an off switch here. Right here's your choke. And your air cleaner's back here. So I haven't ran this saw for a couple of years. I just put fresh gas in it. So let's go ahead and see if I can get this thing started. So we'll go ahead and choke it. for fuck's sakes, I had it off. Now it should start. Yeah, it always helps to turn it on. So, just thought I'd share that little saw with you. Thought it was pretty cool, and the fact that my dad gave it to me makes it special. Alright guys, thanks for watching.